Make sure whatever you say is worth it because you are not going to get that time again. For this, you need to practice well in advance. Rather than practicing and learning the story, you should practice on improving your speed.
वेलकम जय हिंद डिफेंस एस्पिरेंट्स 300 के सब्सक्राइबर्स स्पेशल वीक में आज की सफलता की प्रेरणादायक कहानी है कनिष्का की, जिन्होंने एनडीए 148 के फर्स्ट गर्ल्स बैच के लिए अपना रिकमेंडेशन प्राप्त किया है। आइए जानते हैं कनिष्का, जिन्होंने इतिहास रच दिया है, उनसे कि कैसे उन्होंने अपने एसएसबी की तैयारी करी और क्या टिप्स वो शेयर करना चाहते हैं सभी एनडीए एस्पिरेंट्स के लिए, स्पेशली फॉर अवर गर्ल्स।
Hello friends, my name is Kanishka Gupta. I am recommended from 19 SSB Allahabad on 27 March for Indian Army, and today I am here to share my strategy how you can clear your SSB interview. So first of all, what is SSB? SSB is a service selection board interview under which what you are tested is that how you have to respond to a particular situation, your on the spot reaction and your personality is tested. So it's not like you can copy from someone or learn from someone. It's you have to improve in it, and it couldn't be like you can improve it in a span of 1 or 2 days. It's like you have to work more on it. So I am going to tell you how I have improved those things and how I have maintained the good things in me. So I'll divide it into 3 parts: psychology, GTU and interview. So we'll start from psychology. So in psychology, there is first part is the PP and DT, picture perception and description test. So in this, what is the major important thing is first you need to understand what is being shown in the picture. Whatever is being shown, you have to realize, perceive the picture correctly. Make sure while you are writing the story, you give an introduction of the background, your actions and your completion of the story. Don't forget the completion part. While you are giving it, try to make original responses rather than learning from it anyway. Whatever comes to your mind, make sure it's positive and write it original. Never try to learn in that thing. In this comes the second part is the narration. Always be confident whatever you are saying. Your fluency matters, but yes, what the smile and the confidence on your face matters the most. So your narration should be like address every person of the group. Make sure you are in proper eye contact and your body posture. If you are standing, you should be standing straight, and if you are sitting, you should sit straight rather than lounging in front of it. So this is for the narration. For the group discussion, it can be of various types. It might be a group is quiet, so you need to be a more assertive in that. In case your group is already a hodgepodge, everyone is speaking, you need to make sure at least once or twice you can give your good and valid point and everyone listens to it. This is the major strategy for GDA. You need to realize at that very moment which second you have to pick and what you have to say in it. Make sure whatever you say is worth it because you are not going to get that time again. This is for the PP and DT. Then comes the TAT, thematic perception test. So for this you need to practice well in advance. Rather than practicing and learning the story what is being writing, I feel you should practice on improving your speed. And make sure whatever you are writing is your original part, because everyone, even the one who is checking, the psychologist might get bored reading the same responses. So your original touch, what all you have been through your life experiences should be included in those TAT. Make sure you practice it very well, because you initially while I was doing my every story was like leaving incomplete, but slowly and gradually I improved on it, and while on the day of SSB I have completed all my 12 stories with perfect quality, and it was not like I have left anything so you should improve on your speed. This is the first and the foremost thing needed. Then comes VAT, word association test. So in this there are various kinds of words. The strategy here was what I was told by our psychologist, Mr. Shishir Dikshit sir. Sir always said to practice negative words in advance. So we did that. Our entire classmates, I was really very fortunate to get such a good group in my class that they always helped me out. That group is really supportive. Humans are social person, and if you are learning something, you should be thankful to others around you. So all my friends helped me out. My sir, Shishir sir also helped. For this I practiced the negative words before, but I never tried to learn them. Sir's strategy was also give your response first, and if in case it needs an improvement, sir improves in you, and he makes sure that if you are, it's your response only. Like sir never say to learn this sentence. Give your response. In case it needs improvement, sir will provide you with that. So this is the bad strategy. Again, speed is the matter, and never try to learn because you are not going to get it on the day of SSB, because it's a time span of 15 seconds. You have to think, you have to write also. So don't try to learn it. TAT, WET, and then comes the SRT, situation reaction test. For this I'm really thankful to sir. Sir gave us every solution, how we should write it, how we should reduce the word strength so that we can complete it in the time span, and yes, to complete the response. SRTs, it doesn't matter how many you do, it matters what quality you give. This is the most important line for it. This is for the SRTs. And then comes the SD. SD is like, first you have to write your response. I still remember I have got it rechecked through sir online after the classes also. Sir was busy, but he provided me with that time, and he discussed the SD. He made sure a few corrections in that, and he said your SD is original. Make sure you write this only. Don't try to learn from others. So be original in your thing, because SSB is your personality test. They need to test you, and if you're providing it with them in the original format, there is nothing wrong. So by this way, our psychology was completed. Yeah, you can prepare for it in well advance, but don't try to learn the responses. As sir always said, be original and give your responses. Then comes the GTO section. For GTO, indoor and outdoor. Indoor session, we had Colonel Sharma sir, who have always taught us to improve our GK. GK is like everywhere you will need it. Whether be it lecture it, whether be it GD, whether be it in the WATs, yes, improve your GK. No matter how, slowly you'll learn it. I still remember the day I entered here, I knew nothing. At least I very sure nothing about it. But the day I left here, I knew a lot of things. I'm really thankful to sir and my friends there, everyone who were good in geopolitics. They have literally taught me a lot. And sir always said, be fluent and confident, and always try to improve on your content. There are two things to improve. Either you have to improve your language issues, or you have to improve your content. I was always provided with the same feedback: improve your content, and I did that. I learned that. Sir always said, for this sir also made sure we have multiple practices of lecturates, by which if another person is saying anything, I am able to grab that point. So it helped me really well. This was the lecturate tip. And for the GD is again, you need to pick that very right moment and give your valid point. GD, make sure you give facts also, but it's not like always facty words. Whatever you give truth information. Don't try to cheat with the person sitting in front of you. They are very trained to catch you in that very moment. So give true facts. Give your opinion in GD. Opinions also matter. It doesn't matter what the facts, but opinions too. This is for the GD. React accordingly to the situation. And for GD, after this, GPE. For GPE, we went through multiple practices. In GPE, first make sure you understand the problems correctly, prioritize them, list them, and provide them with the solution according to the time. This is all what is for GPE. And make sure you are able to write that response in a time span of 10 minutes and go through it completely. And then if you have, in case you are not able to complete it, make sure you provide that complete solution in the discussion part. For discussion, again, try to take the group forward rather than imposing your answer on it. Try to take the group forward. GP is like this. Sir always said, never try to know the perfect response. This was the best line I have learned from sir. Never look for perfect responses. Make your response perfect. Means nothing is perfect. It's according to the situation how you react. And this is now comes the outdoor session. Outdoor part include command task, progressive group task, half group task, and final group task, and also the individual obstacles. So for this, I'm really thankful to Yash sir. He is like very means if you are going through a particular task in PGT, you'll make sure you explore every particular solution for it, not just one, not just two, sometimes 5, 7 responses say through just one direction. It really helped me in the command task. My GTO was asking me in the real 5 days experience, he was saying, okay, what if this is completely disrupted by the storm or by the flood? Again, the next part, I've explored every solution. Sir was asking me next solution. I said, this is the solution. It is really possible just because of Yash sir's experience, and I've learned a lot from my seniors here also, Anjani Bhaiya, Ashutosh Bhaiya, and everyone other. They have always taught me how to tie the ropes, make sure. So for PGT, open your eyes and brains. Everything is in front of you. Solution is in front of you. You need to just identify it. And this is for the PGT. Same is for the half group task. But if in case you are not able to perform well in PGT, perform the best in HGT, half group task. You will be provided more with the time, and you will make sure you complete it. And then the final group task, again, in which the group comes together. Always make your mind is your biggest power. SSB is also a mind game. It is not like the responses. Open your mind, don't try to learn it, and you'll get it. If your mind is open, solution is in front of you, and you will pick that one particular. Sometimes the holes are made in such a manner that you are not able to identify until and unless you go through, sometimes very close or sometimes very far from the object. Open your eyes, be confident you are able to solve it. In the command task, make sure you give proper and clear order to your subordinates. You have time constraint, the GTO will make pressure on you. You need to handle it very well. And again, that same idea. If you are doing one thing, do it in a way that the best manner, nothing. If you are going to, even if you go through just one task of PGT, which is sir said, yes sir's favorite line, एक चीज़ करो लेकिन अच्छे से करो. ऐसा करो ना कि कोई ने अगर पूछ लिया है हमसे तो हम उसको रोक ही ना पाए, उससे कुछ भी पूछ ले. तो सर हमेशा कहते थे फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता कि तुम इतने तरीके की चीज़ें करो. तुमने अगर PGT भी कर लिया, यू आर एबल टू टेक एवरीथिंग, FGT, कमांड टास्क, बिकॉज योर आइडियाज़ आर गेटिंग एक्सप्लोर्ड. और rope also matters, and how many helping materials you get there. Sometimes you find the rope is very thick, so you might not be able to use that rope. Make sure, be ready for those situations. PGT, FGT, HGT and command task are over. And for the individual obstacles, and I still remember the day I came here, I suddenly went to the GTO bus, and we went through there, and we had 4 rounds of the ground. एंड इट वॉज द फर्स्ट डे. तो आई वॉज लाइक, मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा था क्या करूँ. सर डिमॉन्स्ट्रेशन दे रहे थे हम लोगों को इंडिविजुअल ऑब्स्टिकल्स का. तो ही वॉज आस्किंग कोई वॉलंटियर करके कि करना चाहेगा. तो एवरी वन वॉज परफॉर्मिंग, एंड आई वॉज थिंकिंग लाइक ओके आई शुड परफॉर्म इट. आई वॉज नॉट फियर ऑफ इट, बट येस आई वॉज नॉट इवन दैट कॉन्फिडेंट टू परफॉर्म इट ऑन द फर्स्ट डे. So he said, I was looking at the person who are performing the demonstration, and then suddenly came Tiger Leap, and sir said, anyone want to show the demonstration? I was like, sir, मैं बताऊंगी. And it is the toughest part of the GTO, individual obstacles, and I climbed that high desk, and I was not, मुझे डर नहीं लग रहा था कि मैं गिरूंगी, मुझे कुछ नहीं. I was sure मैं रोप तो पकड़ ही लूँगी, एंड मैंने पकड़ ली रोप. बट व्हाट वाज द इशू कि मैं उसको अच्छे से इतना टाइट नहीं पकड़ पाई, एंड आई स्लाइड डाउन. माई बोथ द हैंड्स वर कम्प्लीटली ब्लीडिंग. तो इट वाज लाइक, हाँ बोल सकते हो कि SSB में खून पसीना सब बहता है, सब कुछ होता है. तो मैंने उसको देखा, मुझे लगा पहले दिन ही चोट लगी थी, और फिर मैं अगली बार गई, मैंने धीमे धीमे इम्प्रूव किया. मैं नहीं, इंडिविजुअल ऑब्स्टिकल्स ऐसा था, जो मैं करती थी वो अच्छे से करती थी, और जो नहीं करती थी वो नहीं करती थी. बट फिर मैं धीमे धीमे गई, और आखिरी दिन तक ऐसा था ओके मैंने इतना सब कुछ कर लिया है, 1 या 2 चीज़ रह गई थी, और फिर मैंने उसको कर लिया कॉन्फिडेंटली कि हाँ मैं कर सकती हूँ. और यहाँ के जो है, अगर आपने यहाँ के ऑब्स्टिकल्स कर लिया तो आप वहाँ कहीं भी कर लोगे. इट्स लाइक अच्छे खासे लेवल पे हैं. अगर आपने यहाँ परफॉर्म अच्छा किया तो आप GTO में वहाँ पे भी कर लेंगे. इंडिविजुअल ऑब्स्टिकल में ये मैटर नहीं करता आपने कितने किए, ये मैटर करता है कि आपने कितने अच्छे से किए, कितने मतलब किस स्ट्रैटेजी से किया और कितने सही तरीके से किया बिना किसी फाउल के. यही एक स्ट्रैटेजी है. इंडिविजुअल ऑब्स्टिकल्स भी. So by this manner GTO is also completed. Now I would like to come to interview techniques. So मैं सेंचुरियन में 3 इंटरव्यूज़ ऑलरेडी गो थ्रू कर चुकी थी, मिस्टर आदित्य दुबे सर के साथ में, यश सर के साथ में, एंड कर्नल शर्मा सर के साथ में. एंड आई ऑल्सो वेंट थ्रू द 4th इंटरव्यू विद शिशिर सर. So I was like pre-prepared for it. when I went through the interview, always I got the feedback, you need to improve on your GK, you need to improve on your military awareness and the place you are living there. I worked on that, and while on the day of SSB, I was like, everything was as told by sir. Aditya sir always said, make sure you mold your interview in your direction. आप इंटरव्यू में अगर वो सवाल पूछ रहा है, आपको पता होना चाहिए वो क्यों पूछ रहा है ये सवाल। अगर आपको ये पता है तो आप उसका आंसर दे दोगे, और अपने इंटरव्यू को अपने अकॉर्डिंग मोल्ड करना आपको आना चाहिए। अपॉर्चुनिटी ग्रैब करो और उसको ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछो कि नेक्स्ट टाइम वो उस पर जो फर्दर क्वेश्चन पूछे, ही माइट बी थिंकिंग कि वो आपको ग्रिल कर रहे हैं, लेकिन आप ऑलरेडी उस चीज़ के लिए प्रिपेयर हो, क्योंकि आपने जानबूझ के ये चीज़ बोली थी ताकि वो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपसे सेम इससे पूछें। तो ये इस तरीके से इंटरव्यू होगा। इंटरव्यू में एक चीज़ है, स्माइल एंड कॉन्फिडेंस ऑन योर फेस शुड नेवर बी डाउन। यही एक स्ट्रैटेजी है। हो सकता है आप क्वेश्चंस ना बता पाए, मैंने भी काफ़ी सारे क्वेश्चंस नहीं बता पाई थी, लेकिन मेरा ये था कि मैं खुश थी। मैंने जितना कर सकती थी मैंने उतना किया था, हैंडल द सिचुएशन वेल। और जहाँ पे ऐसा शिशिर सर ने मुझे जो जो फीडबैक दिए थे लास्ट में, मैंने उसी पे वर्क किया था। मैं इसके साथ में ये भी कहना चाहूँगी कि आप अपने फ्रेंड्स की हेल्प लें। हम लोगों ने ऐसा किया था कि लेक्चरेट, जीडी कितना कुछ प्रैक्टिस करते थे हम लोग एक दूसरे के हॉस्टल में जाके, तो आप कर सकते हैं। हम लोग क्लास में बैठे होते थे तो हम एक दूसरे से बात करते थे, जिसकी एसएसटी अच्छी है वो हमको वो बता देते, जिसकी मैथ्स अच्छी है हम उसको वो बता देते। तो इट्स लाइक आप ग्रुप में रहेंगे तो पूरा बल्क आपके साथ में उठेगा। और अपना अगेन इट्स योर पर्सनैलिटी टेस्ट, बी ओरिजिनल, बी ऑनेस्ट एंड यू गिव योर बेस्ट एंड ऑलवेज होप फॉर द बेस्ट। आपके हाथ में एक ही चीज़ होती है कि आप कर सकते हो, और बाकी रिज़ल्ट ऊपर वाले के हाथ में जो होता है। तो अपना बेस्ट दीजिए और वो हो जाएगा। मतलब जो भी करें उसको इतना करें कि हाँ, हमें फिर बाद में दुख ना हो कि हमने नहीं किया, हमने अपना कर दिया है, बाकी जो देना होता है वो तो ऊपर वाले ही देते हैं। इसी के साथ में ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर आप सभी के लिए। थैंक यू।
सबसे पहले मैं सेंचुरियन एकेडमी को थैंक यू बोलूँगी, जहाँ पर मेरी बेटी आई और उसने बहुत कुछ सीखा। फर्स्ट डे जब आई थी तो वो बता रही थी कि मुझको कुछ समझ में नहीं आता है, मेरे को बहुत सारा वर्क करना है। तो हमने कहा बेटा वर्क करो, और उसने वो वर्क किया और मेहनत की उसने अपनी ईमानदार कोशिश के साथ में, तो आज वो सक्सेस हुई है। उसमें सारा सेंचुरियन एकेडमी का ही रोल है। अगर वो यहाँ नहीं आती तो शायद वो बता भी नहीं पाती उसको कैसे क्या करना था। उसे सब कुछ यहीं सीखा। एसएसपी के बारे में तो उसको नॉलेज ही नहीं थी। डिसीजन भी उसी का था कि उसे एनडीए का एग्ज़ाम देना था, तो दिया, उसने क्लियर किया। और उसके बाद एसएसपी के लिए भी उसी ने बताया कि मुझे यहीं आना है, तो हमने कहा यहीं जाइए आप, तो यहाँ पर आई थी।
8 दिन पहले उसने अपना मतलब जो है एग्ज़ाम फॉर्म डाला। उसके बाद सडनली उसने फॉर्म डालने के बाद उसने देखा कि एनडीए का लड़कियों का निकला है, उसे पता ही नहीं था कि लड़कियों के लिए भी है। और उसके बाद में सीधे वो अपना तैयारी 2-5 दिन की करने के बाद एग्ज़ाम देने चले गए, और एग्ज़ाम में भी उसके काफ़ी अच्छे मार्क्स आए।